Hi friends, welcome to the Nursing Virus YouTube channel. This is me, your Loganathan, RNRM. Today I am going to discuss one of the interesting topic from that mental health nursing, that is depression and suicide. This both problem will used to come simultaneously for the individual person.
Do subscribe on Nursing Virus channel if you not yet done. And don't forget to click the bell icon and like button so you don't miss any videos.
Here I made few rules for making that MCQs more interesting discussion. So there will be 25 MCQs. You will have 10 seconds to answer each question after reading it. You can provide your answer on the live chat box. If you want additional time, you can pause the video and you can think more. You can calculate your score by yourself. If you have any doubts on any question and answer, you can write in comment box. 51. Dash is considered mood disorder, which include the occurrence of depressive episode and one or more elated mood episodes. So the correct one is bipolar disorder. So the bipolar disorder is nothing, and one individual person on the different occasion there will be an alternative episodes of either mania or depression is called as bipolar disorder. So we have two types, bipolar 1 and bipolar 2. On the BPD 1, mania plus depression in the alternative period on the same individual, and BPD 2, whereas the person will have only hypomania and depressive episode in the different occasion. 52. The time duration of diagnosing major depressive disorder for an adult person according to the Diagnostic Statistical Manual classification. The correct answer B, 2 weeks. So here I given that one of the mnemonic for easy recalling that Diagnostic Statistical Manual criteria for the depressive disorder. There is a SIGI caps. Increase or decrease, interest, diminished, feeling guilty or low self-esteem, poor or low energy, poor concentration, either increased or decreased appetite, agitation or retardation of psychomotor activity, and most essential factor, that is a suicidal ideation. 53. The number of depressive episodes in 1 year duration seen in the rapid cycle depression is. So the correct one is more than 4 cycles in a year. So the rapid cycling is the term commonly used for the individual with bipolar disorder who are experiencing 4 or more mood swings episode within a 12-month of period. On this 12-month of period, either the person may used to have the different mood swings, either that is a depression to mania or mania to depression or depression to hypomania or whatever it may be. 54. In depression, there is a deficiency of. So the correct answer is 5-hydroxytryptamine. So either decreased serotonin level or 5-hydroxytryptamine in the brain are mainly associated with the depressive disorder. 55. The most significant characteristic which is experienced by the patient with the depression is. So the correct one is, so the depressed mood and loss of pleasure or interest were very commonest feature in the depressive problem. So the person will not show any interest on any of the personal life activities. 56. Behavioral clues of impending suicide are as follow, except. The correct one is hypervigilance and exaggerated startle response. So this kind of person will always used to closely monitor the environment or the surrounding. 57. An affective alteration symptoms exhibited by the patient with a severe depression is. So the correct answer is apathy. Either that is a lack of interest or enthusiasm or lack of concern. And the following delusion are common in depression except. So the delusion which cannot be seen on the depression is delusion of grandeur. So the other delusions like a delusion of negligentism or the delusion of persecution and poverty can be seen with that depressive patient, and the delusion of grandeur can be mainly seen with a mania. And 59. Which of the following is exhibited by the mother with a postpartum depression? Is uncontrollable crying. So this is one of the major problem in the first two stages of postpartum blues and as well the depression. So the mother will used to have a lot of crying and weepiness. 60. Which of the following is not the symptom of depression? Major one is again the delusion of grandiosity. So the remaining all symptom can be seen on the depressive patients. And which of the following is not the sign of depression? So they are asking about which is the not the sign. So that is the hopeful. So actually the person can be seen with the hopelessness. And 62. Omega sign is seen in which of the following condition? So the correct one is depressed patient. So on the patient forehead, wrinkles in the shape of Greek letter omega were mainly associated with the depression. So on the image you can see, so where the person will used to have wrinkles like an omega letter. So that is the main sign were indicated on the depressive patient. And 63. An adult with a major depression complains of severe sleep disturbance, daytime drowsiness and fatigability. How would the nurse classify these sleeping problems? The term correct one is dysomnia. So whereas the person will used to have that severe sleep disturbance during the nighttime period, and daytime the person may feel much drowsy and fatigue. The term is considered as dysomnia. 64. Which of the following is the commonest condition associated with high risk suicide? So the correct one is major depression. So on the question they are asking about the commonest problem. Here on the chronic schizophrenia and as well the drug abuse also can be the reason for the suicide, but compared with that chronic schizophrenia and drug abuse, the major depression is one of the leading problem for making the person to get high risk of suicide. Which of the following is not a characteristic of endogenous depression? So the correct one is feeling of more sadness during the evening session. The endogenous depression, otherwise known as melancholia, is an atypical subclass of mood disorder. It is occurred due to an presence of an internal stressor, that means within the body or within the individual self, which is getting the stressful factor for the human. For example, where the circadian rhythm changes or sleep pattern cycle changes or main reason for the this kind of depression. 66. Which condition places the patient with a cardiac illness at increased risk of sudden death? Again, as we discussed in the previous question, the depression is one of the leading problem for getting the person for suicidal risk. 67. Which of the following is the most lethal method of suicide? So the correct one is using of gun or firearm. 68. Scheduled activities need to be planned for which of the following conditions? The correct one is major depressive disorder. Why mean this kind of person will not show any interest, that is the term apathy can be seen on this kind of clients. So the daily activities need to be planned by the nurse and that should be strictly followed by the client. 69. A patient says to the nurse, everyone would be better off if I was not alive. Which nursing diagnosis would be made based on this statement? So the correct one is risk for self-directed violence. So this kind of statement were mainly indicated for making the person committing the suicide. 70. The hallucination in which the content is consistent with either a depressed or manic mood is called. So the correct one is mood incoherent hallucination. 71. Which of the following would be priority nursing intervention for the patient who has suicidal behavior? So the correct one is ask the patient whether he or she has a thought of or has a plan for committing the suicide. So the direct question would be better for making the open discussion with the client. 72. Which of the following is the priority component in nursing assessment of a client with depression? Again, the suicidal ideation. So whereas already I said the depression and suicide were interlinked one another. When the person making or getting depression episode, the suicidal ideation is very common. 73. An affective disorder among the following is. So here just they are asking about the affective disorder, that is the bipolar disorder. So here I given that list of problem among the mood or affective disorder, that is the unipolar, major depression and manic episode, and bipolar side BPD1 and BPD2, and other mood disorder like an example for that dysthymia and cyclothymia. Other mood problems also we have. The next 74. An affective disorder among the following is. So here the correct one is depression. As I quoted in the previous question, the same classification only. And 75, a situation in which a family's individual's balance is disrupted, requiring the development of a new coping strategy is called. So the correct one is crisis. So whenever the crises were happening within the family, the person need to adjust or need to follow the new coping strategies to overcome from those crises. Thanks for watching that video. I hope this video become more helpful when you are preparing for any competitive examination or any university examinations for the nursing student and as well the nursing practice nurse. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. If the video is informative, subscribe my channel and like and share the video. You can write your comments too.